Okay, here I am in the kitchen and I'm going to show you my coffee maker. Okay, here we go. First we boil the water. I've already got it boiled in my nice apple tea kettle. And then we take a filter. This is not the right kind of filter, but we had them, so I'm using them. Then we have our little drip thingy. I put the coffee filter in and make sure all the folds are mashed down good. And then I take the coffee and a teaspoon and I put in to the coffee filter 2 nice helpings of coffee. And then we take our mug, put the filter on top, and pour the water into the filter very carefully so the coffee doesn't get in one of the folds and get into the coffee. Even though I like coffee grounds in my coffee, I got used to that at Peet's Coffee, where it makes the coffee really good. And now, since I can't really pick up the computer because the webcam will stop and it'll take me 5 minutes to set it up, but the coffee the water is dripping through the filtered coffee drip thing into the black mug. Now all we have to do is wait for it to finish. Oh yes, I forgot. We have to go to the refrigerator. That's my cup of coffee there, don't spill it. And get the dairy creamer out of the refrigerator. Shake it up a little. Pour some in. Get yourself a plastic spoon out of this lovely Coca-Cola glass and stir it up. And there we have it. Okay, enjoy your coffee. Bye.